What's up, YouTube? This is John Silver here with another program review, and today I'm going to be reviewing AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a 2D, 3D computer drafting software application made by the guys at Autodesk. Autodesk normally makes these kind of softwares for various reasons, like architecture, engineering, let's so. This will run on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. There's actually a little application you can use on your phone for this one too. It's mainly computer software, but the phone doesn't have much features as the computer. This is used in various fields of study for its blueprints and plans. People who are actually experts in AutoCAD are called drafters. An example of this would be engineering, architecture, and even graphic designers will be able to use this. Now, there's very different versions and add-ons, such as architecture, civil 3D, electrical, mechanical, just name a few. There's actually a lot more that you can find on the website that do the very different purposes, each one. So, this is a picture of what the main interface looks like in AutoCAD. You can see it's running on a Mac. Someone seemed to have made the housing plans. You can see that there's various lines going on there. This is using its 3D feature. You can see that they made some contraption that could probably be used for a machine and whatnot. And this is simply pictures of a car that people made. Now, the user interface can be a little mind-boggling at first, but most of the common tools will be located on the main ribbon, and the specific tools can easily be searched for later. This is a picture of what it mainly looks like. You have your line, polyline, circle, arc, main drawing tools up on the top left. You can also modify them. There's layers you can add. All the main tools are right here, but if you need to look up very specific tools, there's a the number 3 where you see type a keyword in phrase. That'll help you find it with ease. Now, the features it has various command tools to speed up the design process, which is a big pointer for this one. The auto command feature searches for specific commands. This has a very great cloud-based save system where you can save files and work on them from anywhere. It also has great file compatibility with the other AutoCAD softwares because they all use the .dwg format. And there's various great help and support online. If you were to look at the website, there's various tutorials that you could do if you don't understand anything. Now, the pros to this, it's easy. There's the tools that you're mainly going to use are easy to use. They're mainly on the main ribbon. It's very efficient for various projects. It's honestly perfect for architecture. This is the main branch that uses this. It is a computer-based application, but there are also app bases for it on your smartphones. There's a 3D to 2D interface, which is pretty useful, as you can see in the picture. And it's compatible with 3D printing. This actually impresses me because you could make anything on AutoCAD and actually print it into real life. Now, the cons, it's not easy to get used to. There's a hard learning curve. Like, even experts can sometimes get pretty mind-boggled for the amount of content that's in it. It can be pretty expensive, around $350, and this is just a license. You don't actually own the product. You have a license for about a year before you renew it. And it's a little more focused on the 2D side, but just a little. They both work really well. How is this useful in my field? I actually used this in high school, and this was actually, it took me a while to learn, but it was actually pretty useful and sometimes a little fun to use. I would probably use the AutoCAD Electrical and probably Basic AutoCAD, since this will allow me to modify and create electronic control systems later on in my life. And it is office-based program, so I'm probably going to be using it around the office a lot. And I could probably make various mechanical parts that could be easily designed in the software. Overall review, I give it an AutoCAD A out of 10. Overall, the software does do what it was intended for. It does have a long learning curve. It could take months, if not a year, probably to fully learn it. But in skilled hands, if an expert, it's probably one of the best CAD software you could have on the market. And it's a pretty professional too, with the website and all the help you can be getting. Well, that's it for now. Thanks, YouTube, and see you later.